As the heat wave continues, a number of cooling shelters have opened in Evansville. Mayor Stephanie Terry says the C.K. Newsom Center at 100 East Walnut Street is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. through Friday. Meanwhile, all Evansville Vanderburgh Public Library locations are also available for people to come in and cool off during library business hours. Centerpoint Energy says your next electric bill will look different. The utility company says the revised layout will provide a clearer breakdown of monthly charges. The Evansville Vanderburgh School Corporation has approved a nearly $6 million project to update and renovate Enlow Field. The work's expected to improve ADA access and the look of the red brick football stadium next to Bosse High School. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.